Buckshot AI is making waves in the AI software world, and today I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced digital marketer, this software has something that could take your business to the next level. Stick around to the end because I'll be revealing some unique insights that could change how you use AI in your business. And just so you know, you can try Buckshot AI completely free through the link below. So, why is Buckshot AI generating so much buzz right now? Let's start with its capabilities. This software is designed to help you automate and streamline your workflows using cutting-edge AI technology. If you've been looking for an all-in-one tool to handle tasks like content generation, data analysis, and even customer support, Buckshot AI is one you should definitely consider. It's packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. The first thing you'll notice is how intuitive the user interface is. Buckshot AI doesn't require any coding knowledge, which makes it accessible for beginners but powerful enough for experienced marketers. You won't waste time fumbling through complicated menus. Instead, it's designed to get you up and running quickly. Another major selling point is its content creation feature. Whether you're crafting blog posts, social media content, or even video scripts, Buckshot AI can generate high-quality text in just a few seconds. It uses natural language processing, NLP, to ensure the content reads smoothly and fits your brand's voice. This is ideal for anyone who needs to produce high volumes of content without sacrificing quality. Now, let's talk about Buckshot AI's data analysis tools. It has a built-in analytics dashboard that pulls data from various sources and turns it into actionable insights. This is incredibly useful for making informed decisions about your marketing campaigns. You can track performance, adjust strategies on the fly, and improve your ROI all within one platform. If you're serious about digital marketing, you'll love how easily Buckshot AI helps you stay on top of your numbers. One of the coolest features that sets Buckshot AI apart is its customer service automation. It can handle inquiries via chatbots, emails, or even phone calls, allowing you to provide 24/7 customer support without the need for a full team. This is especially valuable for small businesses or anyone looking to cut down on operational costs. But what about integration? Buckshot AI seamlessly integrates with a variety of platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and Zapier. This means you can easily connect your existing tools and automate your workflows without missing a beat. No more jumping between different software or manually inputting data. A concern many users have when adopting new software is scalability. You want something that grows with your business. Buckshot AI shines here because it can handle everything from small startups to large enterprises. As your needs expand, the software adapts and scales to fit, so you won't outgrow it anytime soon. Lastly, let's talk about the pricing. Buckshot AI is competitively priced, especially considering the powerful features it offers. But here's the best part. You can try it for free. You don't have to commit upfront, which means you can explore its full range of features without risk. There's no better way to see if it's the right fit for your business. I've tried countless AI tools over the years, and Buckshot AI is definitely one of the most promising new releases. If you want to give it a shot, don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial. If you're looking for other AI tools that can boost your business, I've listed my top recommendations in the description, so feel free to explore those as well. After all, I've tried thousands of AI softwares to bring you the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.